Hey everyone, this is going to be a video overview of the DirectAds tool where I'll show you a little bit about each feature. This series of videos will cover all the functionalities, okay? So this overview video will be quick without much rambling. Let's go. Here's the DirectAds platform, which is our dashboard where you can see your commutative approval rate. It's a general overview. It's a screen we don't use much in our day-to-day work as traffic managers. And here are the tutorials where I'll record all the tutorials on how to create an app, how to upload campaigns, catalogs, how to upload CBOs, how to link your meta profile and shapes, and so on. We'll have several lessons here, stories on Facebook profiles. The name itself says it all. This is where you connect your profiles. Here you will connect all the profiles you have to be able to upload ads. Here's the contingency and the ad account. You can get an overview of all these ad accounts. How much is the spending? What's the time zone? Here in campaigns, you have a kind of preview with your pros and let's say it's not just a preview for now and in the future. Then you'll be able to make edits below the campaign. You can't yet, but you will soon. Maybe when you're watching this video, it will be updated, duplicate campaign, edit campaign, delete campaign. Some functions already work here on Fanpages, the goal pages, and where there are slots. The processing queue is where you have the campaigns you've uploaded, the history of what you uploaded, media library where you can upload your media and organize them by folders and audiences as well. Here you can create your audiences to have some presets when uploading campaigns or to have everything ready. Here is the extension pairing for you for the slot counting extension. We have the WhatsApp community button. It's important that you join the community here to always stay up to date. On the right side, there's this support, that AI support. The AI support is very intelligent because it takes all our history from conversations with clients in our groups and uses that knowledge base to answer your questions. So if you have a question, ask here and it will probably help you. If you can't manage it, it won't help you, right? It always gives you the option to talk to the guy who connects to support via WhatsApp too. But I highly recommend it because it's much faster. And if I do this here, it's because human support is limited, it's part of the process, and it takes a little longer. So this is very good to use to ask some questions too, and they'll answer very well. Okay, so here's the main direct ads section. Here's your ad count. Here you can change the theme. So the light theme is a light theme. I personally don't like the dark theme. And the amount you've already uploaded here allows you to manage the theme so you can create several users for the staff. So for your traffic manager, that's good. Payment. So here you can buy ad packages and extras. What's your current plan in terms of usage? Anyway, everything is detailed here. And I believe that's it. You can also change the language to Portuguese and English. And okay, this main video is an overview. I'm going to record the other videos now so you can follow the sequence to get a complete understanding of the tool. And in this video series, I'll also give you some best practice tips for using the tool. Which campaigns are performing best? So I highly recommend you watch this video series. Okay, thanks.